Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Unfortunately, the cold weather is going to stick around. Power outages and flooding still concerns in a lot of spots around Southeast Michigan, so this does not help the situation, obviously. 29 for the overnight low. There'll be some mid-20s in a few spots west of town. Mostly cloudy, certainly chilly. At least there's a little less wind overall. Wind chills could be down in the upper teens pretty easily. Here's a look at the morning lows around the area. Brighton 26, 27 in Monroe, 28 in Utica, 27 in Pontiac, again 29 in Detroit. And then tomorrow the best sunshine is in the morning. Then we have a chance of rain moving in, especially after 4 o'clock. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s with 49 in Detroit, one of the warmer spots. 47 for Ann Arbor. Monroe could even stay at 43, Utica at 45. So what happens then is the snow could last into Thursday morning. That could be a problem. So partly sunny tomorrow, rain after 4. 49, and we start to cool off, and as we do that, it changes to a mixture in the evening, and then overnight it changes to snow. And again, there could be a little slipperiness in the morning on Thursday. That 30% chance of snow is just in the morning there, right around the rush hour time. On Friday, Saturday, Sunday for the weekend, and beyond to Monday and Tuesday, a good stretch of dry weather, and the temperatures finally start to mellow. Low to mid 50s Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then finally some low 60s Monday and Tuesday.